Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gastromania. Today we are going to be presenting a simple Thai dessert recipe, mango sticky rice. This recipe is vegan, so it's perfect for sharing when catering for many people with different nutritional requirements. It's pretty simple to make if you watch this video and follow the steps. Without further ado, let's get right into this recipe. First, we have the ingredients: 150 grams of glutinous rice. Soak it for at least 2 hours before cooking. Four pandan leaves for extra fragrance. Not the pandan leaves. One ripe mango, 250 grams of coconut milk. Strain the soaking water from the glutinous rice after 2 hours. Spread the rice evenly on a plate for steaming. Place the pandan leaves on top of the rice. Steam the rice at high heat for 10 minutes. Remove the mango seed. Cut the mangoes into 1 to 2 cm thick strips. After 10 minutes, remove the rice from the steamer. Remove the pandan leaves. Add about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add about 80 milliliters of coconut milk. Mix everything evenly. Spread the rice evenly. Then, steam it again for 10 minutes. In the meantime, prepare the coconut milk sauce. Bring the remaining coconut milk to a boil. Keep stirring it to prevent charring at the base. Add 1 teaspoon sugar to sweeten it up. Add 1/4 teaspoon salt to balance the sweetness. Add 2 teaspoons of cornstarch to thicken the coconut milk. Set the coconut milk aside to cool down. We can start plating the dish. After plating, add the desired amount of coconut milk sauce to the rice. And this dish is ready to be served! Ah, the richness of the coconut milk infused into the glutinous rice and the refreshing sweetness of mangoes. Perfect dish for the mango season. Try it today! And we have come to the end of today's episode. If you enjoyed this recipe, do support us by hitting the like button. Subscribe to our channel to stay tuned to our weekly videos. Follow us on our socials to stay updated with our recent activities. And I'll catch you in my next video.